In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable site search in Wix. This feature allows visitors to easily find content on your site, which can enhance user experience significantly. Let's dive right in and simplify the process step by step for you. First, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. To do this, log into your Wix account and navigate to the website you'd like to edit. Once you've gained access, the editor provides all the tools you need to begin customizing your site. Next, look for the Highlight option in the site's interface. Clicking on Highlight will unveil additional editing tools and options, providing a greater level of customization. It's important to spend a bit of time familiarizing yourself with this menu, as it is integral to many editing tasks you might want to perform on your site. Now, proceed by clicking on Menu and Anchor. This section is where you can manage any navigational components like menus and links. Accessing this will be essential for integrating elements like search bars that will appear across various pages of your website. Afterward, head over to the Search Buttons feature. By selecting this, you'll be able to add search functionality to your site. This is an important step in making your website user-friendly, as it allows visitors to easily search through your content. At this stage, it's time to choose a search bar design that fits the look and feel of your site. Wix provides several templates and design options, so take a few moments to browse through and find the one that complements your existing site design. Selecting the right style is important because it ensures coherence with your website's overall aesthetic. Finally, it's drag and drop time. Move your chosen search bar design to your desired position on your web page. Consider placing it somewhere intuitive and easy to access for your visitors, such as the upper right corner or center top of the website. Once positioned, this feature should seamlessly integrate into your site's layout and provide visitors with the ability to search through your website's offerings effectively. And just like that, you've successfully added site search to your Wix website. This addition can remarkably enhance the ease with which visitors navigate and interact with your content. Remember, the goal is to make your website as user-friendly as possible, and a good search function is a pivotal part of achieving this. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional ways to optimize your site.